Hello and welcome back again to Susan Gold TV. In today's video, we are going to be showing you guys on how to make natural braid. Yes guys, the hair will look like natural. We add extension, but it will look like as if you didn't add any extension. So because our hair is long and we have to make it right, so the only way we can do that is by adding extension, not from the beginning, you know. After you apply what you are using, either hair cream, edge control, shine and charms, or gel, so just start braiding it. When I mean you braid it like 2 to 3 times is when you raise your hand once, you raise it twice, and you raise it 3 times. That is 3 times, okay? Then when you do it like that, then you start adding extension. And when you want to add extension, so the extension you will add is just add tiny one, because if you add big one at the same time, it will show. But how you will have to do it is add a little, so it will follow the hair and it will look so natural. So this is how I made this hair. When you look at this hair, you won't even know when I had extension, because if you look at the beginning, it is her hair that starts from the beginning, and when I had extension. And don't cross it also, just cross it. Just look at the way I'm doing it now. We did like that, you see. It's so easy and it's very nice, guys. The extension I use for this hair is not even up to one extension, because we have to have had very tiny, and the hair looks so beautiful and looks so natural. So guys, this is how I made student hair, because she's taking it to school. As a student, she don't need much hair, she just need light hair that will be comfortable for her. Thank you guys for your endless support. If this is your first time coming across Susan Gold TV and you're not subscribed, please do so. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we drop a new video. Thank you so much guys, and I hope you enjoyed this.
To the table. Stay strong. Stay strong. To the table. To the table. Ain't easy, I can tell.